Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 17th March 2026, Nifty index opened negative but attempted recovery in the first hour, which was later rubbed off by the selling pressure, followed by some consolidation. It witnessed fresh buying interest from 23,000 zones in the last hour and managed to close with gains of around 260 points. It formed a bullish candle with long lower shadow, indicating bulls activating at the lower levels and improving the ongoing sentiment. It broke the lower highs formation of the last three sessions and closed near its higher band. India VIX was down by 4.6% to 21.6 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.03. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,900 to 23,900 levels, while immediate range could be in between 23,100 to 23,700 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 8,775 crores, while TIIs were buyers worth 11,822 crores. FI's long-short ratio has now increased to 11.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests Nifty has to now cross and hold above 23,500 for a bounce towards 23,750 levels, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 23,150 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,500 for the next up move towards 55,000 levels, while on the downside support can be seen at 54,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BSE, MCX, Reliance, HDFC Bank and Ultratech, while some weakness could be seen in Bandhan Bank, Laurus Labs, TCS, Coforge, KPIT, Tech and Oberoi Realty. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.